Hey guys, so this whole video is going to be voiceover. I'm really excited to open up and try out these items from TEMU to see if they can help fulfill that soft girl coquette sort of aesthetic. Just give my overall ratings on the quality, is it worth it, and does it really have that cute vibe to help us become more like the Pinterest girl of our dreams. The first shirt that I'm showing is this pink long sleeve coquette looking top, and I have all the screenshots and the listings of every item I'm showing on the screen so you can see the prices. But this one, it's a little bit see-through but not bad. And this Nets top I adore. I actually love it so much I got it in both long and short sleeve versions because it's really cute, and there's a really long string and this Nets off shoulder little sweater top is a little bit thin, but it's actually so gorgeous. I love the asymmetrical hem at the bottom. It just kind of gives a waist snatching effect that I love. Next we have this long flare sleeved gray milkmaid style top. The white part at the bust is see-through, so you do have to wear something underneath it. I just wore a nude bra, but I love this. I love the flared sleeve and it just looks so cute. Next is this lacy mock neck top, and I adore this top. I actually haven't worn it on its own, but I layer it under a lot of stuff for winter. And finally is this wrap top that is kind of like a jacket layering piece. I show a time lapse of me putting it on. The buttons are a little bit scuffed, but overall it's really cute. I actually like that the sleeves are kind of loose. It gives that more casual look, and you can decide to button the top or not. And I love the wrap around the side that you can tie into a little bow. It's super stretchy, super comfortable, and honestly really worth the money. And finally, I saw this dress that I've been seeing on TikTok Shop a lot, but it was cheaper on TEMU, so decided to just get it from here. And as you can see, it's really shiny. I'm not too sure that it'll look super nice, but overall, I really like it. I think the backless is not what I'm used to, but in practice, I would probably style it with something else underneath. Just to not have my back showing. And you can see here I wore it with a little bodysuit, and the back ties up, so it really does kind of fit your figure very well. I think the fabric is a bit too shiny for my personal preference, but overall it's not bad. I really like the cowl neck design too, and as you can see there's 2 layers of skirts, which is really nice. So overall this dress would be really good to wear for just a casual day. The next section I love are these super cute aesthetic little bowls and cups and all these different things. This is a really cute, I think plastic Hello Kitty platter, and I use it as a snack tray. I put, you know, like fruits, yogurt, granola bars, all sorts of stuff in it, and it even comes with matching utensils, which I love. There's chopsticks, a fork, and a spoon, and I just love it. It's in the shape of Hello Kitty, and there's 4 little different sized portions of the plate that you can put. Next up is this 4-piece set straw lid and cup with a little straw cleaner, and I love my morning matcha or coffee in this cup and just sipping on it throughout the day. So I love it. I think it looks super aesthetic. You can kind of carry it with you a little too. And overall, I think the design's really good and really cute, a lot of utility. Next up, I adore this little cloud-like pink teacup set. I think I saw it on Amazon for like $20 or more, so TEMU, I'm pretty sure it's the exact same thing, and super cute. Again, I love to make little like yogurt granola fruit bowls and put it in here. It actually fits the yogurt portion perfectly. And finally, in the bowl section, we have this super cute cherry blossom little gold trim plate. I actually just use it to keep my jewelry, but you can use it for anything like sauce, dip, etc. It's so pretty. You can see my earrings are inside it right now, and I just love it. It's the most perfect pretty decor ever. Next up are eyelashes. I always get the individual bundle eyelashes and they're so good. You can see how many eyelashes that I've used of mine, and it's amazing because on TEMU they're all $1 to $2. You can try out so many different styles, and I always see eyelashes that are worse quality, like not as delicate, not as many different styles in my local Japanese market for 10 times the price. They're always like $11 or $12 for the same sort of looking pack. So for false eyelashes, I really do recommend you get them on TEMU. Just kind of be careful, always look at the reviews, and make sure you get bands that are transparent if you're more of a beginner, like the one I'm showing now. It's a little bit more beginner friendly and you can use it with an eyeliner. Next are one of my favorite ever items to get on TEMU. It can be a little hit or miss, so just make sure you look at the photos in the reviews to see the actual quality of the items. But I love getting press-on nails. Usually they come with a little sticker set in the back for the sticky tab for applying the nails, and the nails themselves are such good quality. Like for approximately $5, $3 to $5, it's really worth it. And I got these lace gloves from TEMU as well. They have a ton of different styles of lace gloves, but they're just so pretty, and I use them a lot in different photo shoots where you want to really just even more elevate the vibe. For example, for high tea, this sort of glove is really perfect, and just any sort of photo shoot where you want to look really dainty and really fancy without putting much effort, just throw on these gloves and it just gives such a fancy, dainty, elegant look to everything. So I really adore it. I'm definitely considering getting more lace gloves from TEMU. They have all sorts of different colors and styles as well. And next up are these lace kind of arm coverings. I was thinking of using them with my outfits, but in practice they're a little bit of a flop for me because they are really loose on your arms and it makes your arms look a bit chunky or boxy compared to what I would have thought. But I can figure out what sort of outfit these would look good with because they're still really cute. So maybe for transitional outfits where it's a little bit cold or you don't want the sun on your bare arms as much for any cute outfit, I think these still have a lot of utility to them. So I'm still pretty excited. There's different ways to wear it. You can wear it a bit more bunched up at the top, or you can wear it just straight on your whole arm. So I'll see what I feel about these over time. But as a first impression, I feel like you have to work a little bit harder to style them, but there's still a way to do it. And here you can see it came in a ton of different colors. I just got the white and pink, and at first the pink looks a bit too vibrant, but honestly once you put it on the arm, it's not too bad at all. So I'd say these are not bad, and I'll say how I can style them and tell you guys later if I think it was worth it. And finally, one of my favorite types of items ever from TEMU is hair clips. I got so many amazing, gorgeous hair clips from TEMU, and they're all about, you know, $1 or $2 or less. These are the most elegant, pretty claw clips, and I actually finally learned how to put my hair up in a pretty bun because of these claw clips. And this is really pretty bow. I'm wearing the exact same one, just in a different color on my head in the video. And they do come a little bit wrinkled because they put them in really tiny packaging, but over time the wrinkles fade. And these are the most amazing claw clips. They're a dupe for a brand that's really expensive. It's like $25 a clip, but they sell them for, you know, a fraction of the price. And I really love the bow style, all the different colors of the flower hair clips. And it's just so nice because you don't have to worry as much and be as delicate with these clips. Like, I've accidentally broken a couple times, but because they're only $1 or less, it's not as much of a heartbreaking pain when you're breaking them. And this one is such a cute design. I've only seen this on TEMU, so I think it's actually a pretty unique, like, little tulip flower with tulip stems and leaves, sort of a hair tie design. And I feel like in practice you need 2 of them to be able to make a cute hairstyle so that it's matching on either side. But I'm really glad that I got one just to test out the look. And these are headbands. I adore all my TEMU headbands. I did have a bow fall off once and I just super glued it back on, but it gives such a cute look for literally a fraction of the price of a lot of other brands that you have in the States. This one you can see has the cutest little pearls and little cream rosettes, and it has these little like kind of ribbon strings falling from it. And here you can see a lot of different bag charms that I got. I just placed it on a pink tote bag to show you guys how it would look like in the size. But this has such cute crochet lily of the valley. This one has a pretty bow, and the clips are really detailed. There's like an extra keychain too if you want to attach anything extra to it. So it's just a really cute way to accessorize your bags and give them a cuter look. Here I have another little bow with little pink bows on it, pearly keychain, and the clip part of the keychain is actually really good quality. Like, I use it all the time, and I love switching this one between all my different bags. Next is this gigantic bow that you can clip to like the back of any dress or anything like that, and it's so wavy. It flutters in the wind as you move, and I actually did one photo shoot already with it, and it just makes everything look so much more fancy. I clipped it to the top of a lace umbrella, and it looks so freaking cute. And I was thinking maybe there's a way for you to wear it as a headpiece accessory as well, but still trying to figure out that concept. And there's just so much you can do. This bow comes in a lot of different colors too, and just depending on how you style it, I feel like it makes any photo shoot just 10 times more special and unique looking. So I really love it. I mean, look how cute it looks, just me placing it at random parts on my outfit. I love it. Next are a few more different accessories. These are some different pearl belts that are just, you know, there's a clip on one end and you clip it onto the pearls on the other end. So you can see the little lobster clip is really nice quality. The pearls are a little bit scuffed, but I think you can just straighten them out a little bit. I just took them straight out of the bag to show you guys, but you can see here, that's how I would clip it. Just clip it on any of the pearls, and it looks really cute. Definitely adds a lot to any different outfit, just adds a cute little touch. So I think this sort of stuff is really worth it to get on TEMU. And this is a second pearl belt. This one is a little bit fancier. It has little raindrop looking pearls dangling from the main belt section, and I really love it. You can see there's an extender chain, and you can wear it all sorts of ways, you know, to the side, to the middle, slightly off center. And I think I did see reviews, people were wearing it kind of like this as a shoulder chain sort of situation as well. So this is just so special. Next up is this really interesting thigh chain. To be honest, it's pretty experimental for me and not my usual style at all, but I would usually never ever get something like this from somewhere else, like Forever 21 or Zara or anything like that. So I figured might as well get this sort of thing here and see how I like it. And this here is a hand chain. And I'll be honest, I was influenced by this girl online who said that a hand chain is like the most attractive thing on a girl to a guy's perspective. Next up is this really useful kind of pant closer accessory. You basically hook it onto your jeans and it helps you clip the jean tighter. So if any jeans or any pants like that fit a little bit loose on you, theoretically you can use this butterfly clip to clip them together. And next is this ear cuff that is so freaking cute. I was wearing this all the time, and I love how it matches my necklace. They both have a little bit of that silver metallic look to them. They both have bows. And here I'll kind of try to put it on for you. It does take a little bit of whittling to get it on, just as for mine, I squeezed it a little bit tighter, but obviously it's open, so you can open or close it as fits your ear shape. And as you can see, it looks so cute on. The little bow dangling aspect always moves as you move your head, so it really kind of dangles around and catches the attention by movement. and I just think it's so freaking cute. And I've been really enjoying the look on Pinterest of these cute little head scarf, picnic scarf looking things lately. So I got 2 different designs off TEMU, and this one is so cute. I love how it's really nicely finished on all the sides. It's a little bit see-through and has that super cute look you can see when you wear it. It's so freaking cute. I'm so excited to style this in the spring with different outfits, and of course you could wear it on the bad style too. This is the second one. It's a little bit more just one piece looking, and there are longer straps, so you can see once I tie it on, the laces kind of fall in front pretty long, and it is really cute. I probably just wouldn't style it with this necklace. I think overall it's so freaking cute. I'm really excited to be styling these 2 for spring. It really gives that trendy look that I've been seeing a lot on Pinterest lately. And finally, we have this really cool like ear accessory that hooks onto the end of your ear. You can see me putting it on here now. And it's so cute. It has a little bit more of that like techie sci-fi sort of look to it, but I've been really enjoying like a dash of that look with the coquette aesthetic. So overall, I hope you guys really enjoyed this TEMU haul. I will put a rating of everything on the screen and more detailed notes in addition to my voiceover. Thank you so much for watching, guys.